Okay, now I present this table. In this table you see the most important antiderivative. So you know that column, you know very well that column. That column is the differentiation formulas. But now we have the integration or antiderivative formula. It's completely backward. For example, the first one, derivative constant is 0. Antiderivative 0 is a constant. Okay, derivative kx, k I suppose que is a constant, is the k go outside because it's linear operator, and derivative x with respect to x is 1. Antiderivative k, you solve it like that, antiderivative k dx, the k is a constant, you put outside because it's a linear operator, and antiderivative dx is x. And don't forget the arbitrary constant, always. This is important. Because this is a linear operator, this and this together. When you multiply by a constant, the constant go outside, linear operator, and when it's plus or minus, we can separate in two antiderivatives. Power rule. Derivative sine, cosine. Antiderivative cosine is sine. Positive. Derivative cosine is minus sine. Antiderivative sine is minus cosine. Derivative tangent is secant square. Antiderivative secant square is tangent. Plus c, always plus c. Derivative secant tangent is derivative secant, sorry, is secant tangent. Antiderivative secant tangent is secant. Derivative cotangent is minus cosecant square. Antiderivative cosecant square is minus cotangent x. Derivative cosecant x is minus cosecant cotangent, antiderivative cosecant cotangent is minus cosecant x. Okay, now you have this table. Let's do an example using that. Okay, we can separate in 1, 2, and 3 integral, and the constant you put each one outside. Like that. You apply power rule, power rule, power rule here. This is x cubed divided by 3, increasing plus 1, minus a x squared divided by 4, by 2, not by 4, by 2, the same exponent here, plus derivative is just x, and don't forget the arbitrary constant. Do simplification, this is 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 6. This is the antiderivative of this original function. Okay, remember, antiderivative is a linear operator. So if it's a linear operator, we can separate. The first one is 1, it's just dx, minus integral x cubed dx, plus 12 outside, integral x to the 5th power dx. This is x minus, this is x to the 4 divided by 4. This is 12, x to the increasing 6 divided by 6, plus, don't forget never the arbitrary constant c. Okay, finally, use simplification here. Divided by 6 is 1, divided by 6 is 2, x minus x to the 4th power over 4 plus 2 x to the 6th power plus c. This is the answer. Okay, again, we can separate. Linear operator 5 outside, integral x to the 1 over 4 dx, minus 7 integral x to the 3 over 4 3 over 4 dx. Remember, when you open this symbol, you finish using dx, and you apply power rule again. This is 1 4 plus 1, and 1 4 plus 1 is 4 over 4, is 5 over 4, so this is a 5 over 4. Okay, actually this is 5 over 4. You write here directly 5 over 4 divided by 5 over 4 gets the same multiplication by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal is 4 over 5. It's a one shortcut, and this 5 is cancelled. and stay only 4 x to the 5 over 4. Let's do in the second. Minus 7 x to the 3 over 4 plus 1. And 1 is 4 over 4. Entonces 7 over 4. The exponent is 7 over 4. Divided by 7 over 4, que the reciprocal is 4 over 7. And again, 7 is cancelled, it's minus 4 x to the 7 over 4. And don't forget, please, the arbitrary constant c. Beautiful. This is the answer. The answer, let me copy it. Nice. 4 x to the raised to the 5 over 4 minus 4 x to the 7 over 4 plus a constant c. This is very similar. You separate into integral, and now you take advantage and convert the radical notation to fraction exponent. This is equivalent to say x 3 over 4. This 4 is this, and this 3 is this. That the index of the radical is the denominator number. Okay, dx plus antiderivative. This is x 4 over 3 dx. Okay, ready to apply the power rule. Is x 3 over 4 plus 1, que es 4 over 4, is 7 over 4. Entonces the exponent is 7 over 4 divided by 7 over 4, que es reciprocal of 4 over 7, reciprocal, plus 4 over 3 plus 1 is 3 over 3 is 7 over 3. Entonces x, the exponent is 7 over 3 divided by this number, que is exactly the same multiplication by the reciprocal, is 3 over 7. And don't forget the arbitrary constant. Also, is the answer.